Life does not give you a warning before an emergency hits. Your car breaks down, a client delays payment, or you lose a job overnight. Do you have a cushion, or are you walking a financial tightrope? Assalamualikum. I am Author Syed. Today we are going to talk about something that is not flashy, but it is powerful. Building your financial cushion. This isn't just about saving money. It is about buying a peace of mind, freedom, and resilience. What is a financial cushion? Imagine you are on a road trip. A flat tire means nothing if you had a spare in the trunk. That spare is your financial cushion. Money that keep your life rolling even if when things go wrong. Financial cushion equals emergency savings plus opportunity fund. Why you need it? I still remember working with a small business owner who ran a grocery store. Everything was running smooth until their fridge system broke. $7,000 in damage. No savings, no backup plan. They had to borrow money from relatives, lost both inventory and dignity. That is when it hit me. Emergency does not ask permission, it just shows up. Point made, gives you control, keeps you out of riba-based loan, opens doors for investments when opportunity arises. How much do you really need? The golden rule: start with 1 month of expenses, then build up to 3 to 6 months. If you are self-employed or runs a business, aim for 6 to 12 months. Here's the framework: monthly rent or mortgage, food and groceries, utilities and phone, transportation, insurance like medical and car insurance, or basic living needs. For example, if your monthly essential spending is $2,500, aim for $7,500. How to build it practically? Here's the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Start a separate account. Label it financial cushion, not savings, not investment. This is liquid, accessible but not touchable for fun. Second, automate a fixed contribution, even $50 per week or $2,600 per year, consistently. Step 3. Cut noise, not life. You don't have to cancel everything. Just optimize, switch to halal cost-efficient alternative. Step 4. Use a barakah-based income strategy. Every extra income bonus, refund, freelance gig, put 25% into your cushion automatically. Step 5. Never use it for wants, holiday trips, not from this one. This one is your shield, not your sword. Did you know nearly 60% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency? But here's the deeper problem. It is not just about the money, it is about the mindset. You don't build a financial cushion by earning more. You build it by prioritizing safety over short-term pleasure. Here is your 5-step cushion plan. Open a separate emergency account. Set a starting goal, $1,000 minimum. Automate weekly, monthly deposits. Cut 2 unnecessary expenses this month. Review your progress every 30 days. What is one expenses you are willing to cut to start building your cushions today? Drop it in the comments. I read each one personally. And if this video helped clarify things, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel and helps others like you discover this content.